Brother or a mother, whoa, oh, oh. You're a daughter or a son, whoa, oh, oh. It's on you to make ends meet, whoa, oh, oh. It's your job to get it done, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Doctor or a pastor, whoa, oh, oh. As long as you live your parents' dream, whoa, oh, oh. You're everything they ever wished for, whoa, oh, oh. In a position of esteem, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Do your job! Or a winner, whoa, oh, oh. In a game without any rules, whoa, oh, oh. You're a saint or you're a sinner, whoa, oh, oh. We will be nobody's fool, whoa, oh, 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 oh. To give and songs to sing, whoa, oh, oh. But whether or not we are in control, whoa, oh, oh. But it's on you to decide and to settle, whoa, oh, oh. This question once and for all, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Doctor or a pastor, whoa, oh, oh. As long as you live your parents' dream, whoa, oh, oh. You're everything they ever wished for, whoa, oh, oh. In a position of esteem, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Roll! your job.
Forza ragazzi, dai Marco! Oh, ma che è? Oh, ma che è?
You're a loser or a winner. Whoa, oh, oh, in a game without any rules. Whoa, oh, oh, you're a saint or you're a sinner. Whoa, oh, oh, we will be nobody's fool. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. There are thoughts to give and songs to sing. Whoa, oh, oh, about whether or not we are in control. Whoa, oh, oh, but it's on you to decide and to settle. Whoa, oh, oh, this question once and for all. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
La seconda!
There's a role where it's easy to fit in. There's a role, and it has always been. Fit the scheme, do your job.
partita l'abbiamo stradominata dall'inizio alla fine. Stavamo, primo tempo mi sembra che è finito 4-0 e potevamo stare benissimo 7-8-0. Cioè, chi mi conosce sa che non sono un presuntuoso, faccio dell'umiltà il mio cavallo di battaglia. Ma anche il secondo tempo, in inferiorità numerica, prima in 3, poi in 2, non siamo riusciti a realizzare. Poi ci hanno fatto un gol 4-1, diciamo un po' riaperta, perché questo sport è 4-1, la partita si riapre. Abbiamo fatto il 5-1, allo stesso abbiamo ripeccato sotto porta, oggi proprio la porta non la vedevamo.